We've just had a great experience working with the whole team at JLS, and they do what they say they're going to do, and they perform. So now I would, in a heartbeat, I would recommend them to any processing facility. So Berks was founded in 1933 by Charles Boylan, and we are celebrating our 90th year next month. We have one campus here within the Reading. We have multiple facilities within that campus. We process many different finished product food items, a full line of dinner deli meats, ring bologna, hot dogs. We're very heavily invested into the whole pre-sliced line of meats. But if I have to say one item is probably Berks hot dogs. It's well known. When I think of JLS, I think about excellence. They are the cream of the crop. The passion and the long heritage behind both companies can't be replaced. You can feel it. It's in their blood. They're driven. Everything just went great. They did their due diligence. They came in, they visited the plant. They wanted to make sure they had a clear understanding of what problems we were trying to resolve and improve upon from start to finish. The project team did a great job. We did everything from weekly calls, update calls, any problems along the way, they took care of right away. Great factory acceptance test down at the York facility. So from start to finish, delivered on time. Couldn't have asked for an easier process. So actually, this is our second install of JLS Osprey. We first introduced it a few years ago on our high-speed deli slicing lines. And this past year, we introduced it now into our hot dog lines. These tasks were all being done manually by our coworkers. So this really has helped overall, not just on the shortage of employees, everything that goes with that, but also making it safer for our coworkers. Those are probably the two biggest benefits. Safety is always the number one concern at Berks Packing. So the whole repetitive motion, and the risks that come with that and the possibility of injuries that come with that is resolved. And then secondly is being able to fill all our production spots within the facility during these trying times of finding employees that want to work in the industry. I hope our partnership between Berks Packing and JLS continue throughout the years. I hope the opportunities continue, that we can work on future projects to make sure that Berks Packing is in the lead with what's going on in the industry.